Once again, good evening. We are all welcome to, I think this is part 3, eh?
Sure.
Yeah, part 3 of our installation. We are going to connect all the cables that we have terminated. Alright, you all have them. So, you connect your own cable to the camera. This one will come, connect his or hers, and then we see if there isn't any flicking or on the camera or on the screen, then it means that you have done a good job. But if there is, then we'll assign you for next week. Come again. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Anything that you want to plan, you want to build, you have a building plan. All right. And you go by that plan. All right. So I'll project a diagram on the board. Okay. This picture is for IP installation. This one is for IP installation. So with this, you can see this diagram. All right. We have our power adapter here. We have our cable. We have our camera. We have our monitor, and then you have our DVR, which is here. All right. And then we are going to do the connection. Okay, I'll do the first setup. Then I'll disconnect. You all come around. You watch me how I'll connect it. Then, after disconnection, then each group will now, I'll call on the group to now connect for me to see. I'll be happy to go.
Yeah.
All right. No, somebody asked a question the last time if the voltage is low. Can it work? Yeah, this is what you see, but you cannot power the frequency. I think so that's why when connected to the hand is also working. So we are going to do the connection right now. Do you hear any sound? At the camera level. So in this case, you don't need to divide the camera into 4. It will divide by itself into 4, depending on the channel.
Yeah, so this one has 4 channels.
This one has 4 channels, so automatically the screen divided into 4 sections. Like I said, alright. So let me skip this one. It will be divided into 4 sections. If it is 8 channel, it will be divided into 8. If it's 32, it will be divided into 32.
But can you show you to answer one side?
Okay. So this one, the megapixel is not that high. So you know that's yes. But it is colorful. You see the color?
I'm seeing it.
So that is it. So the next step. So this is our connection. Tomorrow, God willing, they will go into the system of it. But today, since I've done the connection, you all do the same connection. We are not going to load ourselves with from here, go to the system, we'll be confused. So this is the connection. I'll give them 3.
Why? It's not
I'll give them 6.
Okay, now she's
Okay, individually.
flag.
Out of 10, I'll give Sadia 6. You mastered, you joined this group, you mastered, so I'll give you I'll just give you one.
Okay.
And then four. Yes,
So
4.
I said,
Yeah, you 6. You have done it.
Yeah, that was good. You have
You connected
6.
6 connected to terrorists.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
We've
I
done
have
it.
10.